In this video, I will show you how I work with GIF files. Animated GIFs are a wonderful way to grab attention on any social media platform, as long as you know how to work with them. Unfortunately, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, which are actually my main social media platforms, do not support uploading GIFs directly. So what are you going to do about it? Well, we can post MP4 video clips, short video clips that will loop. So they're going to look exactly like animated GIFs. So the secret here is to be the video clip to be less than 15 seconds. Anything over 15 seconds will appear as a video with a play button, and we do not want that. So here we go. We're gonna go in the Videotic software, and we're gonna use GIF videos. I think some of the GIFs are hilarious. I just love marketing with GIFs and memes in general. So here we will put a title just for us to remember. Title. I'm gonna use cat niche, and I choose number of slides 3, and I'm gonna tell you why. Next. Each slide will be 5 seconds. 5 times 3, 15 seconds. I prefer to use 3 slides because, you know, these are like repetition type of images, and I don't want, you know, to be boring. So you can choose any slide you want. The software gives us some slides. These are very funny. So we're going to use only 3 of them. And I'm going to click next. The software is giving us option to use our own logo. Well, it's set up in the inside the software. We're not going to do this right now, though it's a good idea because this way, you know, you brand yourself. So we're going to do next. The software has music, which is pretty good. Everything is like royalty free for commercial use. So we're gonna choose a video music file. To playful. Let's see, is it playful? Okay, it's good. We use this. Press next. We select the output quality, 720 or 1080. Choose MP4 or GIF. We want MP4 so we can post on Facebook. Start creating video. Video will be created. It takes the rendering takes about 2 minutes. We're not gonna wait 2 minutes right now. Some more. I love to play with this software. So this is it for this short tutorial. You can actually use GIFs for your marketing efforts. You can market anything with the GIFs. You can grow your audience, your prospects. You can, I call it sometimes attraction marketing at its best. Go have fun with those GIFs and create beautiful videos to brighten up your timeline on Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, your TikTok, everywhere. Okay, so I will see you soon. Bye now.